was also surprised how they could think that just one rope and poor control skills could cause such serious consequences. They should have assessed the tree's center of gravity before it fell. Wow. This time, it was still the same mistake, but the bad outcome did not happen. The Komatsu G330 handheld cutter is roaring fiercely on the hillside as the chain blade bites deep into the giant old tree trunk. With a full helmet, goggles, gloves, cut-resistant pants, and a safety strap, the worker controls the cut very steadily. The machine shows stable durability, high toughness, and strong working ability, helping handle large trunks faster, cleaner, and with less human effort. Oh no. Run, run, run. The moment the tree falls right on the hillside is also the moment the man gets the result of his work. In bad luck, there is still some good luck. The trunk fell down but shook the tree very hard. Luckily, the man still kept himself safe. That's terrifying. The MS-720 appears like an oversized handheld cutting machine, built for large logs and heavy work. The machine uses a 105.7 cubic centimeter two-stroke engine with 4.8 kilowatts of power at 7,000 revolutions per minute, equal to about 6.4 horsepower. Its dry weight is 10.8 kilograms, paired with a common guide bar from 75 to 90 centimeters. Clearly showing toughness and durability during long working hours. The man keeps a very steady posture. Moving the saw blade evenly along the log from left to right. Each section of wood is removed little by little. Leaving behind a clear and intentional cut surface. The engine sound echoes strongly across the hillside, while sawdust flies out with every cut.
Nice.
Oh my God. It is unbelievable. No protective shirt, no helmet, no safety. Yet he carelessly cuts the tree branch, which looks very risky. Luckily, it did not lead to any serious consequences. Tree removal is not a job for amateurs. The Ponzi Bear 8WD, fitted with the C6 crane and H8 head, is a harvester built for heavy logging forests. The six-cylinder engine delivers 260 kilowatts, and the eight-wheel drive system gives good traction and stability on slopes and soft ground. On the outside, it stands out with its large body, wide cabin, open visibility, and the very powerful sliding C6 crane. The H8 delivers up to 36 kilonewtons of gripping force, clearly showing its durability, toughness, and long-hour working ability. Do not copy the man cutting this log just because he is wearing a full safety set while doing this job. This is only for extremely professional workers. And only with enough experience can someone show such smoothness in this work. Absolutely control your own safety. Extremely effective. These moments are performed with very pleasing sounds, which is what they create when they are happy with the work they chose. The Komatsu 931XC, fitted with the C144 head, is a very tough harvester in heavy forest work. The machine uses a 7.4-liter six-cylinder AGCO power engine, producing 190 kilowatts, equal to about 255 horsepower, with 1,130 newton-meters of torque, combined with an eight-wheel setup that gives good traction, low ground pressure, and very solid maneuverability on slopes, mud, snow, and soft terrain. The C144 head weighs from 1,407 kilograms, cuts up to 750 millimeters, and stands out with 4 WD feed, an extra body roller, and constant cut, so it works very durably when facing large timber. If compared with the Ponzi Bear, which is stronger in overall power, then the 931XC stands out more in stability, flexibility, and the solid feeling of movement in all weather. Shattered. The giant tree trunk was cut down to clear the garden. The house next door, but it was still very easy for this experienced man. But when the log, tens of meters long, was separated, his stuck machine was not damaged at all. Have you ever seen a Volvo FH16 6x4 timber truck unload logs this powerfully? Equipped with a 17-liter D17 engine, a maximum output of 780 horsepower, and torque of up to 3,800 Newton-meters. This model was born for heavy log hauling trips. When it starts unloading work, the strong chassis, powerful pulling force, and high stability immediately attract all eyes. If you like machines that are both powerful and reliable, this is a name worth watching. This mechanical log splitter really cannot be underestimated. Although it takes a lot of effort, it brings safety to the user. The screw tip design helps it bite deep into the wood stump very quickly, grip firmly, and split the wood fibers apart decisively. With a specialized grapple bucket, removing tree stumps becomes much easier. You only need a large machine with superior power to solve it. Chomp, chomp, chomp. The monster lowers its hungry mouth onto each stump and uproots the stubborn root systems completely. It did not mean to burn the cut mark on the giant tree trunk, but the sparks created a fire to free this tree from pain. After finishing its mission, the cutting machine still got stuck, causing the roaring monster to collapse along with its victim. Do you see how convenient it is? If you want to quickly tear down an abandoned house, then the best way is to let a giant tree fall like that. The trunk may look weak like that, but it still needs the help of a large handheld chainsaw to complete the felling of this 100-year-old giant tree. Its head looks like a canoe. Both strange and funny. Never underestimate its performance. Everything is done very easily, ignoring every challenge given by Mother Nature. If there is no specialized machine, this is exactly how Max's family uproots a huge old tree. If there is no specialized machine, this is exactly how Max's family uproots a huge old tree. That is a job that requires very high skill and almost perfect coordination among all 6 workers.
So I'm in Arkansas with my brother-in-law.
Oh crap.
Got this tree right next to the limb.
Guiding the direction of the heavy wood created a moment no one wanted to see. That vehicle will probably need a lot of money to
Get
repair.
into the safety. Somebody's got to survive this, so we have the story to tell.
Destroyer, that's terrifying. When the grinding head touches the stump, the whole machine keeps a very steady rhythm, bites deep, grinds hard, and can handle it very quickly, making it feel like in just about 1 minute, one tree stump is completely erased in an impressive way. Like the flame of the woodcutter after cutting down the huge trunk neatly. Let's watch with me how quickly the logger's friend, the 300 horsepower Hurricane TRX from John Deere, spin, spin, spin. In just 2 to 3 minutes, the old stump is also pulled out very quickly. If you find it as interesting as we do, please leave a like and comment number 3 to watch the next videos.